knight was the strongest of knights who was forced to leave his land by the wicked queen.
He cannot be the strongest knight in the land. Banish him!
This knight was a threat to other knights. He was always on guard as he never knew when a dragon could suddenly attack. This knight continued through the woods until he reached a castle. A beautiful castle where 7 unique princesses lived. Their names were
Smarty, double then equals 20. Oh, Sparkle, look at me shine. Billy, knock, knock, who's there? That's a please don't look. Joel, I'm so precious. Rosie, I'm so pretty. Daddy, it's so bright. Eepee, we are so pretty.
The knight was surprised by the princess's beauty and elegance.
That's a wally for you? We are up in the tallest part of the castle until they leave. How did they look like? Sure! Who are you?
Meanwhile, back where the knight used to live, the wicked queen was about to crown the strongest knight when her mirror spoke to her, telling her that the Black Knight was still the strongest.
What? What did you say? How can it be? I want to get rid of him.
While the knight was out practicing his sword skills, along came the wicked queen in disguise. The knight took a bite of the pear, not knowing that it would put him into a deep sleep.
That was pretty good.
Back in the castle, the princesses awaited the knight's return.
What was the night return?
Good voice.
Maybe he got lost. Maybe he got attacked by a dragon. No. What should we do? I'm so pretty.
That's so pretty.
They found the knight in the woods and brought him back to the castle to care for him. They were all concerned and had their own ideas on how to wake him up.
Is he dead? Maybe he's tired. Maybe he's hungry. Maybe he's sick. Poor knight. I'm so pretty. That's not him. I can only see.
You know, in hesitation, it's Aubrey's turn, right?
It was then that the princess's magic dust awoke the knight. The princesses were elated, and the knight was very grateful. They all lived happily in the castle. Oh, yeah!